Okay, let's start with a new video. This time I'm going to show you where you need to store your project and files. Wamp server, unless you tweak it and poke at the configuration files, expects to find your project, your web pages, in a specific location. If you put them anywhere else, such as the default in which Netbeans would store them, then the page will not show up properly. You'll get a 404 not found error. So let's launch Wamp server. And we can see that it's running here. And let's take a look at where Wamp stores things. Now I've opened up the File Explorer here. So let's go into the C drive, and your C drive may or may not resemble this, so don't be too worried if it doesn't resemble this perfectly. It will resemble it to a certain extent. What we want is this folder called Wamp, and inside of it you'll see a folder called www. All of your project files must go in here. So let's create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Unit 5, because that's where we're starting this week. And then let's launch Netbeans. Let's go up and create a new project. Select PHP, PHP application. Next. And we're going to call the project Unit 5. Let's select a folder, and there's that folder that we just created. Open it, and everything's looking good there. Let's go next. This should resemble this folder structure we just created, http://localhost/unit5/. If it doesn't look like this, it may or may not work. So let's go finish. And now that we've created our project, we have Unit 5. Source files include path. Now remember, when you create your files in your projects, to not use spaces in your project name or your file name. Let's create a new file. PHP file. Next. And we're going to call this file Unit 5.1, like this. And you'll see it's going to be created under c:/wamp64/www/unit5/unit5_1.php. So we can finish. And this header will automatically show up every time you create a file. You can delete it. And now let's see what happens if we put everything in the correct place. This command should be familiar to you if you remember our first class. Hit enter and that. I'm just going to go hello web world exclamation mark. You'll see that it's not too happy at the moment because we need to close that command line with a semicolon like that. And then you don't have to do this, but I always put it in as a part of my code. It's just good practice. So let's save this. Now let's run it and have a look and see if it works. So we go run, file, and it says hello web world. So we're good. Let's close this, and then let's go back in and have a look at, let's close this, we'll go back in and have a look at our file folder, and under Unit 5, there's our Unit 5 PHP file. And this folder you don't have to worry about. This is where Netbeans stores its project information. It's NB project, Netbeans project, so you don't have to worry about it. And that's as far as I'm going to go with this video today. It was just a very short reminder of how it works. All right.